रहमानिर्रहीम स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम चैप्टर नंबर 9 की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। इन सर्कल द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द बिगेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ हीट एनर्जी? द सन। व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज हीटेड द मूवमेंट ऑफ इट्स पार्टिकल्स इंक्रीजेस। थर्मल एक्सपेंशन इज नॉट इन्वॉल्व इन वुडन स्टिक। Activity of metallic ball and ring shows solid objects expand on heating. What will happen to the inflated balloon as shown in the figure? If the burner is removed, its volume will decrease. The rise of liquid in the thermometer is due to expansion. The contraction of the objects on cooling is due to the decrease in the interparticle distances. When ice melts and water reaches at 4 degrees centigrade, its density increases. An empty steel container is sealed and heated. Which of the following properties of the gas present in this container increases? It is pressure. The instrument which uses the property of expansion and contraction of liquids is thermometer. Give short answers. Write down the effects of heating and cooling on solids. Page number 134. Key points: all material or object expand से लेकर significantly on heating or cooling. Write down the effects of heating and cooling on gases. Again on page number 134. Key points. Last key point is when a gas is heated, its particles move fast and interparticle spaces increases. As a result, the gas expands and its volume increases. The reverse happens when the gas is cooled down. Short question number 3. Why is water not used instead of mercury in thermometers? A thermometer liquid should have following properties. It should be visible, have uniform thermal expansion, low freezing point and high boiling point. It should not wet glass and good conductor of heat. Water does not fulfill these conditions, therefore water is not used instead of mercury in thermometer. Short question number 4. Why one end of the iron girders is placed on rollers in construction of bridges? Answer is on page number 131. Expansion of bridges. One end of each girder is fixed से लेकर bridges may get damaged तक. Short question number 5. Why gaps are left between two sections of a railway track? Answer is on page number 131. रेलवे ट्रैक्स स्टार्ट से लेकर टू सेक्शंस ऑफ रेलवे ट्रैक से लेकर एक्सपेंशन इन समर्स. शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. वाई डू हॉट एयर बलून्स राइज अप? हॉट एयर इज लेस वेटेड, दैट इज वाई हॉट एयर बलून राइज अप. शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. वाई डू गैसेज एक्सपेंड फास्टर देन लिक्विड्स एंड सॉलिड्स? आंसर इज बिकॉज दे हैव लार्ज इंटरपार्टिकल स्पेसिस एज कम्पेयर टू लिक्विड एंड सॉलिड्स. Last short question है, when a vessel containing a liquid is heated, the level of liquid initially falls and then rises up. Why does it happen so? The level of liquid initially falls because on heating vessel expands. After this liquid expands and the level of liquid rises. Students, आगे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है आपके. What is meant by thermal expansion? Explain expansion of solids with the help of an experiment. Answer is on page number 125. इधर आप लोग पहले थर्मल एक्सपेंशन की डेफिनेशन मेंशन करेंगे और उसके बाद थर्मल एक्सपेंशन एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ सॉलिड्स डिटेल के साथ विद दिस एक्टिविटी एंड तक आप करेंगे. लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट हाउ अ बायोमेटालिक स्ट्रिप वर्क्स इन थर्मोस्टेट. पेज नंबर 130. आप इलेक्ट्रिक आयरन और फायर अलार्म दोनों लिखेंगे इसमें. Explain the peculiar behavior of water during contraction and expansion. Answer is on page number 133. Complete topic आप mention करेंगे. Explain the damages which are caused by expansion or contraction by giving two example. Answer is on page number 133. इस बॉक्स में आपको 2 पॉइंट्स गिवन है. The air filled in vehicle tires, volleyballs and basketballs expands in hot weather. As a result, the tires and balls can burst in hot weather. While filling up the bottles with soda water, some space is left above the liquid surface for allowing the expansion of liquids in hot weather. Describe the effects of expansion and contraction of solids. Page number 130. आप complete points mention करेंगे. Explain the expansion of liquids with the help of an experiment. Answer is on page number 126. आप complete experiment लिखेंगे. Describe a simple experiment to study the thermal expansion of gases. Answer is on page number 127. स्टूडेंट्स, तमाम आंसर्स इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको बता दिए गए हैं. अल्लाह हाफिज़.